Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Art of Cooking. Today we are upgrading the ultimate pantry staple, homemade honey peanut butter. It just takes 3 simple ingredients and about 5 minutes and a tiny bit of patience. Alright, let's jump straight into the recipe. Step 1 is the peanuts. You want raw, unsalted peanuts. And why raw? Because we want to roast them ourselves to get those essential oils waking up. Toss 2 cups of peanuts onto a baking sheet. We are going to roast these at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them. We want a beautiful light golden brown color. Now, while these are getting nice and toasty, let's bust a major myth. If I asked you who invented peanut butter, you would probably say George Washington Carver, right? Well, while Carver was an absolute genius who discovered over 300 uses for peanuts, he didn't actually invent peanut butter. The ancient Incas and Aztecs were actually mashing peanuts into a paste hundreds of years ago. But the modern version we know and love, that was patented in the late 1800s by a physician named Dr. John Harvey Kellogg. Yes, the cornflakes guy. He marketed it as a healthy, protein-packed meat substitute for people who couldn't chew solid food. Alright, our kitchen smells like heaven now. Once the peanuts are roasted and fully cooked, place the peanuts in the center of a clean rough cloth or dish towel. Fold the edges to make a bundle. Then rub, squeeze, and gently pound the bundle onto the counter to loosen the skins. Pour those warm peanuts right into the food processor. Do not add anything else yet. Now, this is where the magic and a little bit of anxiety happens. It's going to go through 4 different stages. Right now we are at stage 1, the powder. It looks dry and you're going to think, oh, I ruined it. But don't panic, just keep the blender running. While the food processor does the heavy lifting, let's talk about why your body loves this stuff. Peanut butter is an absolute nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that keeps your heart happy. Just 2 tablespoons give you around 8 grams of plant-based protein, and it's loaded with vitamin E, magnesium and potassium. Now let's look what stage 2 looks like. It's the gritty paste, the ball stage. The dry peanut powder starts to clump together, turning into a thick, gritty and incredibly stubborn paste. It often forms a big solid ball that rolls around the food processor bowl, or it gets stuck to the sides. And what's the science behind it? The blades are beginning to rupture the peanut cells, forcing a tiny bit of natural oil out, which acts like a glue to stick the powder together. Now the next is stage 3, the glossy sludge. And what it looks like, the big ball breaks down and the mixture starts to look like a shiny, heavy, textured sludge. It's no longer a dry paste, but it's not fully smooth yet. It looks a bit like thick, wet sand. Look at that, we just hit stage 4, the liquid gold. The blades have blended it so thoroughly that the peanuts release their natural oils. And this is perfectly liquid and smooth. This is the exact moment we add our flavor. In goes 2 tablespoons of raw honey for that incredible sweetness and a pinch of sea salt to balance it all out. Give it one final pulse to mix it through. And that brings me to the absolute best part about making this at home, the do-it-yourself advantage. Check the label on most store-bought jars. They are usually loaded with hydrogenated vegetable oils, stabilizers, and high fructose corn syrup. When you make it yourself, you control everything. No artificial junk and just pure goodness. Look at that spreadability. It's still warm from the blender. The depth of the roasted peanuts combined with the ribbon of sweet honey at the very end, it is absolute perfection. You will never buy the jar stuff again, I promise you. If you enjoyed this recipe and love food history as much as I do, hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes and comment below. What's your favorite way to enjoy peanut butter?